Welcome to statistics class for fall 2023. My name is Parshuram Buttatwaki. I'm your instructor. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this course shell. First of all, when you log in your D2L account and go to this course, this is the page you are going to see. Let me just view as a student. This is the page you are going to see. This is the work you have to do for the first week. First of all, just click the course content here and you will be able to see all the pages. The first page, you can see this is the formula set. You are going to use this formula set. You can use this whenever you need or whenever you want. Even in the test, proctor test, you will be able to use this formula set. So that's there. And here is the information about my office hour. By clicking this link, you will be able to connect with me during my office hour. And I'm going to post my lecture video. For example, the video you need for the week 2 material, they are already available here. These are the section we're going to, we are covering in week 2. So the videos are already available. And then for the week 3 and then week 4 and so on, I'm going to upload those video here. And these are my videos. And here is the link for the textbook. Just click that link and you will be able to use the textbook. But the most important thing is you have to start with the unit 1, and there are, as you can see here, 7-8 different units. And when you click to any units, it starts with the overview for that units. For example, if I click here, it's going to show me the introduction about the units, what you have to do, things like that. And it says read the welcome letter, read the syllabus, take the syllabus quiz, access your MyLab through the D2L, complete unit 1 discussion, complete the honor lock system check, or take the proctor practice test for honor lock. Okay, so that's the goal of this unit. When you click here, it takes you to the next page. This is me and some information, and just keep going like that, and you will be able to see the syllabus, which is okay. Just read the syllabus very carefully and you will be able to find most of the information you need for this course here in this syllabus. So this is the the information about the course textbook. I do not need physical textbook for me or for the class, so it's up to you. If you don't want to buy the physical textbook, that is fine, but you need access to the MyLab to do the assignments in this course. Okay, and all this information you can find out the billings and everything here. The MyLab is already available through the first day program, and you'll be able to do all the assignments through this first day program and this MyLab is available with the discounted rate. So make sure that you use this MyLab here if you don't want to pay more outside if you want to buy it by yourself outside, that is also possible, but that would be more expensive. Okay, all the information you can find here. And like for example, there are different type of assignments you need to do. Course activities, you are going to do 8 different discussion, and then there are homework assignments in MyLab, and then there are tests including final. There will be 7 tests, 6 during the semester, and 1 final test. All these tests are proctor test, and you have to use honor lock to take the proctor test. How you're going to use the honor lock, the information is also available here, and I'm going to show you that page later. But for now, this is your grade for different type of assignments. There is 1 survey discussion. You must do this discussion, and that will be 0.4% of your final grade. There are 8 discussion, 8%. There are 6 unit opener discussion type of problems, they are 1.8%. And the homework assignments, 19.8%. Six test, 60%, they are proctor test, and one final exam, that's a 10%. And this is your grade scale. And just read all the information you have given here, and then after that you'll be able to take uh, the syllabus quiz. You need to take the syllabus quiz, this quiz. But before that, make sure that you print out this assignment due date a page and then keep it with you. If I need to change something from this due date, then I'm going to announce that thing in D2L. Otherwise, these are the dates you are going to follow. uh, the assignments due date would be the official due date would be on Friday. So these are all Fridays, except if you have some holidays on Friday. uh, but I am going to make these assignments available during the weekend, just to give you some extra time for technical difficulties, or if you face some problem in your life, like here and there, then you can use the weekend. Okay, but the rule is the official due date is Friday midnight. And for some reason, if you cannot finish your assignments by Friday midnight because of some technical difficulties, only for the technical difficulties, okay? Like internet problem, health issue, family problem, then you can do these assignments during the weekend as well. So these are the assignments you have to do every single week. Just print out this page, and then next page would be your taking syllabus quiz. Take this syllabus quiz. I'm going to skip it for myself. And then next, after taking the syllabus quiz, here is the link for you know my lab statistics. And from here you can use the my lab. But instead of doing that, if I let's go back to the main folder. Here's the information about the first access to MyLab statistics. So I recommend you to read this. It tells you what's going on here. Um, all the MyLab resources is available for you from the first day. So you don't have to worry about what to do. Just use the links given in this course shell, and you will be able to do assignments. Okay. For some reason, if you don't want to use the my lab given here, then you can choose to opt out, but that would be more expensive for you if you want to buy it from outside. So just keep in mind, just read all the information given here. And after that, more student resources, student success guide. And here is the folder for honor log. What is honor log? How you can use the honor log? If you click here about honor log, it gives you information about the honor log. Okay, so all the proctor tests we are using here, 7 of them, you have to use the honor log to take those tests. Okay, so here is the link for after that. Where is that? Okay, yes. So if you have any questions, if you want to discuss with your classmates, you can post those things here in course cafe. I'm not going to read this, but it's for you guys. And then first discussion is unit 1 discussion, introduction and survey question. So read these guidelines here very carefully. You have to introduce yourself, and then just answer the question here. And this is the video you can watch to take any proctor test using the honor log. This is very thorough video, so just follow the video instruction and it will help you how to take the honor log test using the honor log. Just watch this video. After that, your unit 1 is done. Okay, and then after that, if you come back here again, and then if you want to find links for any assignments, you can use this one, STA 2023 assignments links, and it will give you the link for individual assignments, as you can see here. And for example, let's say learn 1.1. Yes, so there are different type of assignments here, as you can see here. First of all, this is the orientation homework assignments. And then after that, as you can see here, learn 1.1, learn 1.2, learn 2.1. In these assignments, you can learn about the sections by reading the books, by watching the publisher video. They will help you to understand the topic. And also, I am going to post weekly lecture video myself, so you can also watch those video here, lecture videos. Okay, so watch those video as well. And then if you need extra learning material, that's given here in this learning assignments. And if you click any of these links, it will take you to the assignments link, and you have to do this problem here. So sometime if this links here in this folder is not working, then you can come here, my love assignments links, and then you can just click the links for homework and quizzes in it. It will give you the links. Sometime if these individual links are not working, then just go here. To take any proctor exam, you have to go here, launch proctor assessment in honor log. One more time, there is a video how to take the honor log test. To take any honor log proctor test, you have to come here and launch that test. So for example, let's say there is a where is that, there is a one assignments called honor log practice test for honor log. If you click that, if you click this link, it will ask you a password. You don't have password, so what do you do? I'm not going to provide you a password. You just come here and then go to that folder I was showing you, this launch proctor assessment in honor log, and click this second link, and it will give you the link for all the proctor test. For me, I can see the links, so many links, but you won't be able to see these links if they are not available. So you see here practice test for honor log. You just, instead of result or setting, you will be able to see enable or start the test, and then follow the instruction whatever they are asking you to do. And eventually after you go through that verification process, the honor log will be able to put the password for you here. That's the process. Okay, and that's how you take any proctor test using honor log. So I think that's all for now for this week. If you have any confusion, any questions, make sure that you can email me always, and I do have office hour for you guys on Tuesday and Thursday, 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. for now. So if you are planning to visit my office hour, just shoot me an email in advance. That will give me some heads up, and then we can talk during my office hour. If those hours are not good for you, then you can also request another hour. Uh, but this is how you do your work. So remember, my lecture video will be posted here. For now, the week 2 videos for these sections are already available. For example, section 1.1. If you look at this video, this is me covering this section. So you can watch this video and then you can do your assignments. Okay, one more time, welcome to this course, STA 2023, Fall 2023. And yeah, all the best. Keep working, keep learning.